Hey y'all, welcome back to Plants on Venus with Vanessa. In today's short story, I'm going to be sharing with you a part of how I repotted my Dieffenbachia. This is the beginning process. What happened was I was walking down my stairs in my home and I looked at my west facing window and seen my Dieffenbachia sitting in the corner, and I realized that over the season of summer, which we're now in fall, the plant has grown a lot since when I first got it. And it has so many new branches, so many new leaves that it looked it kind of like, if you see it, it looks like very tangled. So I knew that it was time to get this plant out of this pot and get it into a new pot. And that's what y'all gonna watch me do in a series of videos. So this is part one, and here I'm just getting ready to get it out the pot. All right, I'm getting ready to get the roots all checked and things like that. I'm checking for pests and things like that. I didn't see any pests. We did really good this summer with these plants in my home. If you are a plant mom, you know what I'm talking about. So we got the roots all checked. I was checking through the soil and checking the plants, and as you can see, it also had like yellow leaves on my plants, so I was going to cut those. Usually I don't cut those. I usually let those fall off, but this time we're going to cut them. So right now I'm just getting it out of its comfort zone. So it's used to being in this pot. It's kind of like set in with comfortability and it's been just like in this pot for a while. So I'm going to get it out and stay tuned for part two.